Welcome back to General Facts. If you love strange, surprising, and mind-blowing truths about our world, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down 10 unbelievable facts that sound completely fake, but are 100% real. Make sure you watch until the end, because fact number 1 is the craziest of them all. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive right in with number 10. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Yes, you heard that right. 3. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to pump blood through the gills, while the third, bigger heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. But here's the wildest part. When an octopus swims, that main heart actually stops beating. This is why they generally prefer to crawl along the ocean floor, because swimming is just too exhausting for them. It's an incredible adaptation, but it makes you wonder how that even evolved. Coming in at number 9. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. This one always messes with people's heads. In botanical terms, to be a true berry, a fruit has to develop from a single flower that has 1 ovary. Bananas fit this description perfectly. Strawberries, on the other hand, developed from a flower with multiple ovaries, making them an aggregate accessory fruit. So next time you're making a fruit salad, you can share this fun little piece of trivia. Your fruit salad is a botanical lie. At number 8, we have a creature that defies death itself. Meet Octopuses dorni, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This tiny jellyfish has a remarkable survival mechanism. When it gets old, injured, or faces extreme stress, it can revert back to its earliest stage of life, a polyp. From there, it starts its life cycle all over again. It's like hitting a biological reset button. Theoretically, this process could repeat forever, making it biologically immortal. Imagine having that superpower. Next up at number 7. Honey never spoils. This isn't an exaggeration. Archaeologists excavating ancient Egyptian tombs have found pots of honey that are over 3,000 years old, and they are still perfectly edible. The secret lies in its chemical makeup. Honey is naturally very low in moisture and extremely acidic, creating a hostile environment where bacteria and other microorganisms simply can't survive. It's the only food that literally lasts forever. Holding the number 6 spot is a mind-bending fact about our solar system. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This sounds impossible, but it's true. Venus rotates incredibly slowly on its axis, so slow that it takes 243 Earth days to complete just 1 full rotation. However, it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to complete its orbit around the Sun. This means a single Venusian day is longer than its entire year. Talk about a long workday. At number 5, we're heading to the Moon. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts will last for millions of years. The Moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to blow the dust around and no water to wash the imprints away. Those iconic footprints left in the lunar soil are preserved in a near-perfect vacuum. They will likely remain there, untouched, long after any trace of us is gone from Earth. It's a silent, lasting monument to human exploration. For number 4, let's talk about a surprising sense of taste. At number 2, your own brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. That's right, the roughly 1.5 kilograms of tissue in your head produces about 20 watts of electrical power. Your neurons fire and communicate using tiny electrical signals, and all that activity adds up. Even when you're asleep and dreaming, your brain is still hard at work, generating power. You are literally a walking, talking power source. And now, for the number 1 most mind-blowing fact on our list, the one you've been waiting for. You are made of stardust. This isn't poetry, it's a scientific fact. The fundamental elements that make up your body, the carbon in your cells, the oxygen you breathe, the iron in your blood were not created on Earth. They were forged in the fiery hearts of stars billions of years ago. When those massive stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in brilliant supernovas, scattering these newly created elements across the cosmos. Eventually, those elements came together to form our solar system, our planet, and ultimately, every living thing on it, including you. In the most literal sense, you are a child of the stars. How amazing is that? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to General Facts, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We'll see you in the next one.